Good morning, wakey wakey, eggs and breaky. Today we have another goal for 10 miles. So welcome to another day, and it's so beautiful. And so we're gonna run till we get tired and we get to 10 miles. Even though we get tired, we don't stop. So come along with me. We are now past 1 mile and some change. So 9 miles and some change to go. So beautiful. Over and over again. We're now a couple minutes past 4 miles and some change, continuing on running, and we're making progress. And today my energy is average, so we're gonna make it. Anyways, I was saying, I can never grow tired of telling you you're worthy over and over again. Holy. Only to my one and only, who is like our God. And now we are on split 5 more to go. It's been a journey, but I can never grow tired of telling you you're worthy. And now guys, we are only 2 more miles remaining till we get to the goal of 10 miles. So we just hit split 8. Telling you you're worthy. Sing of your glory. So now we have accomplished our goal of 10 miles. And so we're almost to my destination. The choice of music today is Over and Over by Elevation Rhythm, and let this be your sign to run, whether it's 1 mile or 2 miles, and whoever compels you to run 1 mile, run with them too. So take a chance and stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you later.